Hello guys, it's Asweken Kingsley again. In this video, I'm going to show you how to perform a reverse effect in your video. Sometimes when you're watching a video, you see somebody move front and all of a sudden reverse. I'm going to show you how you can do the reverse effect in this video. Performing a reverse effect in Filmora Video Editing software is very easy. We're going to be using this video, so I'm going to be dragging this video down to our timeline. Now I'm going to locate the actual point where I want to perform the reverse effect. So I'm going to be performing the reverse effect at this particular point. So what we'll have to do is cut, then move front a little bit, and cut again. Shift this particular video. So we're going to be performing this reverse effect from here to here. So I'm going to be copying this video, copy, Ctrl C, come to this point and Ctrl V, paste. This video and this video are the same thing. So let's play it and see. As you can see, this video and this video are the same. But we're going to be performing the reverse effect on this one. So right click on the video, go to speed and duration, go to reverse speed, click on reverse speed and say okay. Let's play this video. So the next thing we're going to do is copy this particular one, the original one that I didn't perform the reverse effect on. So I'm going to copy it again, come to this point and paste. Drag it down to join this one, because if I leave this video like this, it will just play and reverse and it will stop. Let me delete and join this video so that you will see. If you play this video now, it will play and it will reverse, but it's going to jump to another section. Let's play this video and see. It will now reverse. Now, as you can see, the video has jumped. So what we'll have to do is copy this, paste it here, and join this so that the video will move front, come back, and still move front. So let's play it again. So as you can see, the video played, reversed, and also moved front from that particular point where the reverse effect stopped. That is why I copied this and pasted it in front. If I didn't paste this one, it will jump. So we're going to perform the effect again here. Let's say from here, cut, move front a little bit, cut again. Now shift this, copy this one, Ctrl C, or you right click and copy, come here, paste it, shift it and join it to this one. I'm still going to paste it again for the second time. Join it to this one. This and this are the same video. We're going to be performing the reverse effect on this particular one. So right click on it, go to speed and duration, click on reverse speed, say OK. Join this clip together. Let's play the video again. Don't forget, it's always good to copy this, paste it twice so that once this video plays from here, apply the reverse effect on this middle one. While you're pasting this one the second time, is for the video to continue from where the reverse effect stopped. As you can see. But if you didn't paste this one, assuming this one, you didn't paste it, if you play it now, the video is going to jump after the reverse effect. You see? So undo and replay it again. So this is how you can perform a reverse effect in your video footage. If you're new to this channel, please hit the sub button and also the bell button so that you can be notified once I upload any new video. I'll see you guys in my next video. Please stay creative and remain blessed.